Here's how to reset the password on a MacBook Air without an Apple ID. Start at the login screen on your MacBook Air. Restart your Mac, then immediately hold Command+R while it's starting up to enter macOS recovery. If that doesn't work, turn the Mac off completely, then press and hold the power button until the startup options appear. Select Options, then click Continue to enter recovery mode. Once you're in recovery, look for the Forgot All Passwords option and follow the prompts to reset your password if it's available. If your Mac is still linked to an Apple ID that you can't access, click Recovery Assistant in the menu bar and choose Erase Mac. Confirm the action to erase your MacBook and remove the existing account. Keep in mind that erasing your Mac will permanently delete all files, apps, and settings stored on the device. After the erase is complete, you'll need to connect to the internet and go through the macOS setup process again. During setup, you can create a new user account and set a new password for your Mac. If activation lock is enabled, you'll still need the original Apple ID and password to activate the Mac after it's been erased. That's all for this video. Thanks.